Here we have our new range of circular saws. The development of these saws focused around the user needs: performance, accuracy, ergonomics, and comfort and control. First, performance and accuracy. We have a 1250 watt, a 1400 watt, and a 1600 watt motor. All three saws have very fast cutting speed of 5000 RPM. All three saws have fantastic cut capacities: 66mm depth of cut at 90 degrees and 50mm depth of cut at 45 degrees. The 1250 comes with a 22 tungsten carbide blade, 1400 and the 1600 come with a 24-tooth tungsten carbide blade. The tungsten carbide teeth increase the durability of the blade, and the number of teeth increase the quality of the finish. Secondly, ergonomics and comfort and control. As explained, these three saws have fantastic performance, but what really makes them special is that we have managed to reduce the size by 30% and the weight by 20%. This gives you far more control when cutting. The 1400 watt and the 1600 watt have an integrated laser. This helps you get a straight cut. The 1600 watt comes with a two-piece saw rail. This makes it even easier to cut straight. Saw rail is very easy to use. It fits like so and secured like this. These clamps fasten like this. The saw rail can be used for 90-degree cuts and also 45-degree cuts. Three circular saws have class-leading performance and ergonomics that make them even easier to use.